jacket attacking that cicada. Oh, oh, okay. Oh boy, now I don't see the yellow jacket. Hey dude. You gonna make it? Oh boy. Probably injured now, huh? Crazy. Where are you trying to go? Oh no. Come on. Where are you trying to get to? Welcome to my yard. This is a good tree. You can chill on this tree. Here, friend. Is this too high up? I'm ready. Go on then. You are struggling. Is this a you problem or is this a species thing? All right,